wondering what demographics is or how it applies to looking at purchasing a home, I'm going to take you through the information that I have on hand about the demographics that would apply. So, demographics is about if you were to have a look at a group of people and in an area, and you were to say, well, the group of people that live in this area, they are this age group, they have this type of job, they make this much money, they are this ethnicity. They 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 own their own homes, and not a lot of renters there. You know, they're educated to this level. That's the demographic. That's understanding the people who live in an area. So when you have the census and they ask you a million questions about all of that, well, that's where we get this information from. So let's have a quick look at it. And so there's age distribution. Understanding the age distribution helps you to gauge the predominant age of groups in a suburb, which can influence the types of amenities and services that are available in that area. Ethnicity and cultural diversity. Knowing the ethnic composition can help you find a community where you feel culturally connected and comfortable. Income levels. Income levels can give you an idea of the economic status of the area, which can influence property values and other things. Education levels. The education level of residents can indicate the presence of good schools and educational facilities. Employment status and occupation. Employment data can provide insights into the economic stability of the area. Household composition. Understanding the types of households, whether or not they're single person households or families with children or multi-generational households, can help you assess the community's dynamics and the types of housing in demand in that area. Housing tenure. Knowing whether residents predominantly own or rent their homes can provide insights into the stability and investment potential of the area. Public housing. Understand the proportion of public housing in the suburb. Socioeconomic status. Research the income levels and employment rates to understand the economic stability of the area. And housing types. Understand the mix of housing types, such as apartments, detached houses, and townhouses. So researching the demographics of an area from your desktop starts with knowing this information and deciding, well, what demographic do you fit into? Where are you going to live to feel most comfortable? Or where do you want lots of answered questions when you do that research. On the next page, we're talking about the community fit. It refers to how well a suburb's demographic profile aligns with your lifestyle preferences and needs. It's about finding a neighbourhood where you feel comfortable and connected. A good community fit can enhance your quality of life, your sense of belonging, and an overall satisfaction with your new home. So when we're buying buyer's agents, we are taking all of this into consideration as well in order to provide an exemplary service. And I like to handhold my clients and I really like to get to know them so that I make sure that when I purchase a home for them, they are going to feel like they fit in that community. It's very important. Otherwise, they'll probably put the home on the market in 2 years' time and leave because it was in the wrong area. And it's actually it's that important. So it's important to understand your community fit, whether you want a young professionals suburb, a retiree-friendly suburb, a family-oriented suburb. Popping yourself into the wrong suburb's not going to really align with your lifestyle and preferences. Thanks for understanding a bit more about demographics.